Good morning to all my ninth grade world history students. This is Mr. J coming at you just to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. Let you know that we will not have class with me again till next Tuesday. So you are free and clear this Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I also want to add that we are coming close to the end of the semester. Guys, it's going to get harder and harder to get your grades up, but you can still do it. When we get back on Monday, I will send you a list of the high point assignments that can be redone to get your grades up. There's no reason that any of you should not pass my history class. In fact, pass all your classes. So right now, I'm going to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. I want you to be safe and enjoy it with your family. I want you to stay healthy. I want to remind you that the end of the semester is coming. And I know for a simple fact that you guys can get in there and get your work done. Now, there will not be any one-on-one sessions or anything else on Wednesday or Thursday for me. So you all have a great time. Enjoy it with your family. Spend the time with your families. Watch football. Do what you guys want to do. Just get ready to remember that the end of the semester is coming. You guys do have time to get all the work taken care of. You do have time to get your grades up to a passing level. All right, guys, I'm going to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving from my family to yours. You have a great day, and I will talk to everybody soon.